is something that every car needs every 30 to 50,000 miles, and I'll always steer you away from buying a cheap tire. And the reason why is the initial tread depth on a cheap tire is much smaller, so you're going to get that much less wear out of it. Cheap is cheap, good is good, and best is best. This one here, for instance, you see in the sidewall, there's cracks all over the sidewall, and here it's starting to bulge out, so you can actually see where the rubber is starting to deteriorate. And so when you see cracking starting to occur, that comes from aging. This tire was literally coming apart. You can see this big crack where this began to break, and now it's moving its way down the tires. And in very short order, just a few miles, the tire would have blown, and it would have left rubber shrapnel laying in the middle of the road. So we always recommend at least a medium grade tire, because the construction is better, the tread depth is deeper, and they'll last you a lot longer and give you a lot more ride comfort and drivability.